Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Vendor markets can be chaotic, so I knew I wanted a portable, professional looking podium. So I found this old bookcase and decided to transform it into my checkout stand. This is the moment my big idea becomes a reality, and as I look at it, I'm not just seeing wood, I'm seeing my hopes for a smooth market day and a whole lot of my worries. The what ifs are screaming in my head, but there's no turning back. With every piece my husband and I measured and cut, my mind started to race. It's loud, dusty work, and it gives you way too much time to think. Are we cutting this right? Is it going to be stable? As I sanded down the edges, I kept wondering, will people see this as professional or just a clumsy DIY project? You start to question every single choice. It's an endless loop. With the components ready, it was time to build. This is where the excitement kicks in. Attaching the wide top for transactions and widening the new shelf for the cash box. But with every screw we drilled, the biggest what if hits me. What if no one ever uses the checkout stand? Then adding the final coat of paint was the most vulnerable step to me. Seeing this old bookcase finally become a real podium is so incredibly satisfying, but it's also terrifying. This isn't just a piece of furniture anymore. It's a part of my dream, ready to be judged. And then just like that, we had a finished podium. Turning a beat up bookcase into a key piece of my market booth is a huge milestone. This part of the process is a true test of my spirit, swinging between the joy of creating and the fear of failure. But thank you for being here with me through this. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss what happens next.